Elite Paint is the first ever paint company to have been established in Bangladesh. The journey started in 1952 at Chattogram. Honorable Founder Chairman late Mr. Sirajuddin Ahmed established a small paint manufacturing factory named Elite Chemical Industries. Today, his sons and grandsons form the board of Elite Paint, bringing in a mixture of youth and experience to take the company forward. Let us see our different units. Let's check different test facilities in R&D. Viscosity test. Sample making. Matching and developing samples for the best quality paint. Drawdown. Enamel paint sludge grinding. Developing the finest quality of enamel paint. Cement paint testing. Water-based development. Salt spray test. Salinity of paint is being tested in our salt spray test machine, especially for coil coating, powder coating, high build PU and marine paint. Test is done at 47° system temperature, 35° chamber temperature, 1 kg spray pressure. Bait mill is used for coil coating development. Fashion finish development. Floor mask PU application. Scratch test. Paint durability of industrial paint, powder coating and coil coating is tested for every batch. T-bend test. Checking the elasticity of paint. Shore D test. Checking hardness of floor mask SLE and PU. Cupping test. A panel is usually bent at 2 to 7 mm to find any crack or paint loss. Impact testing. It measures paint resistance on highest drop, pressure or energy force. Abrasion test. This test clarifies the washability parameter of any emulsion paint. Gloss test. Our QC department works consistently to ensure high-quality products of international standards. QC regularly collects samples from production for consistent quality and keeps it for future reference. Scan O light. Produced shade is matched at different lights, especially at daylight. Viscosity test. Data color 400. Hangman gauge. Viscosity of roto thinner for water base. Specific gravity. Through Colorfest machine, we can produce 1050 shades. Let us see how we produce water-based, solvent-based products. We source our packaging material and raw material from different parts of the world. We usually do source our raw material from UK, USA, Singapore, Germany, Indonesia, Thailand, Finland, India, and many more countries. After proper batch number, manufacturing and expiry date and MRP imprinted on the pack, it is sent to production for final filling. Let's visit the production unit. All raw material is mixed here and mixed until desired fineness. As per certain production requirement, a mixer is kept for proper validation. Then the mixture fill into the desired pack size and maintain as finished goods. We have an environment-friendly effluent treatment plant to refine all waste chemical water into clear water. All finished products are transported through our own vehicles across the nation and all our 10 depots. Powder coating unit. Raw materials are selected and weighed up according to the formulation for premixing powder coating. Feeding pot with raw materials is transferred for mixing. Lifting the feeding pot and final mix is sent for extrusion. Raw materials are melted to a soft paste and mixed. The melted mass is immediately flattened and cooled down on a conveyor and broken into chips at the end of the cooling conveyor. Chips are ground to powder at particle size 10 to 120 microns. Flexible packaging options are available. QC powder coating. The coating is applied electrostatically as a dried powder and cured in an oven. We are a large manufacturer of architectural, automotive, functional, industrial, and consumer powder coating. Other manufacturing facilities. Industrial manufacturing facilities, hammer paint, cement paint. Super Strength is a new member in the Elite Paint family. It is an ASTM certified multi-purpose admixture used for any concrete structure to multiply its strength. It is completely VOC free as tested by Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology. The most common paint raw material for enamel paint are alkyd resins, which we produce in-house. Other facilities. Highly skilled members are continuously trained internally and externally for capacity building. Every corner is equipped with fire facilities. More than 300 units of lunch is cooked and served for our members every day. We have full-time doctor facilities for any emergency. Also, we arrange periodic health checkup campaign for the members. The board is working tirelessly behind the scenes to successfully implement the future expansion plans, which we envisage to be complete by the end of 2021. Elite Paint promises to be the most trusted and reliable national paint manufacturer and supplier of quality paint products in Bangladesh.